G'day, it's Christine here from Chris W Designs, and today I'd like to introduce you to the boxed Bliss handbag. The boxed Bliss handbag is, like the name suggests, a boxy handbag. It has an adjustable strap, which is also optional. It's removable, these hooks here, and it has roll handles, and the strap has a feature detail on it, and the bag closes with a zipper gusset, and at the top of the bag, right next to the zipper gusset, is a little secret hidey hole for your phone or keys. It's quick access, so if your phone rings you can just grab it out and hello. And inside the bag we have a ton of pockets. We have a integrated wallet over on this side, which has a large zipper pocket, a smaller zipper pocket for coins, and a note or bill pocket, and it also has 4 credit card slots which can hold multiple cards, not just 4. And on the other side we have a large internal slip pocket, and also included is a bank of slip pockets. We've got a bigger slip pocket, a smaller slip pocket, we've got a accordion slip pocket which is great for reading glasses, and we also have a pen pocket, and also a big roomy compartment for other bits and bobs. So it's a great bag for organising. It is a longer sew, but if you want to make the bag because you love the appearance, you don't have to add all the pockets. You can make it as a quick sew. If you don't want to add all the pockets, that's fine. You only need to have one, maybe the internal slip pocket or a zipper pocket. That will just allow you to close the lining through the pocket, which makes it a whole lot easier, because we don't turn this bag through the lining or anything like that. The lining is pulled over the top of the external bag, so it makes it easy to do. You only actually have to turn the exterior only once, and it makes it great for avoiding wrinkles when you don't have to turn it multiple times, or at the end when you've got a really big bulky bag. We don't need to do that. We have attaching with strap tabs. You can have no adjustable strap if you prefer. It's really a bag full of options, and all the extra pockets that it has means you can use it a million times in other bags too. So you get a really good value for this pattern. Plus I've also included 2 standard zipper overlays, 1 single zipper overlay and 1 double zipper overlay, in case you don't want to include an integrated wallet, because you might just prefer to use a separate wallet. So it can be either a more advanced longer sew or an easier quick sew, depending on what you like to add or which features you like to add. And the boxed Bliss handbag also features bag feet. So it keeps the bottom of your bag up off the floor and keeps it nice and clean. But like a lot of other things about this bag, it's optional and you don't have to add the bag feet if you don't want to. On the side we have some cording detail that's just added during construction of the exterior, and that helps give it this really boxy, very firm support and great structure. As per usual, I could not do this job without my testers, and they have done an amazing job as always in finding all my boo-boos. And yeah, there were a few. But anyway, they have managed to hone in and help me make a perfect pattern, and so I'm really proud to be able to present this to you today. And I couldn't do this job without them, so I owe them a huge big thank you. So thank you, testers. So speaking of testers, let's have a look at the tester photos. how was that? I hope you found those photos inspiring and given you some ideas of how you can make your boxed Bliss handbag. You can find the pattern at www.chriswdesigns.com or www.chriswdesigns.com.au for the Aussies. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of the bag. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Catch you later.